This 1963 Wadkin RZ has an amazing array of equipment. Special head, special electronics, beautiful sliding tables, horizontal, beautiful bronze fitted rise and fall gear, just incredible quality. Here's the bridge guard, or the pork chop guard, new switch gear refurbished, tables cleaned, me manufacturing the bridge guard. I found this part, but I had to manufacture all of the rest. And, well, that was actually the fun part. I prefer the bridge guards, and this machine is just going to be an excellent addition to the Wadkin Temple. And, well, what can I say? I've always wanted to see what the evolution of the R family of planers from Wadkin was like. Thanks for watching.